Fulanito es un niño no acompañado.
Fulanito isn't your ordinary cartoon cat superhero, and his mission is even more exceptional: navigating children through the U.S. immigration system. In March, Fulanito faced his toughest mission yet after the Trump administration terminated parts of a federal contract that provided legal services to unaccompanied children. The ruling impacts over 26,000 children across the country, some too young to speak.
For the last 6 weeks, children have been going to court alone, and there's been a lot of fear and uncertainty and confusion. The vast majority of the children that we work with are eligible to win their cases. The problem is the system is so complex that no child can reasonably apply for that relief on their own. There are these complexities that just make it such that a 10-year-old couldn't possibly succeed in the system, even though they meet the requirements on paper to win their case.
Legal service groups try a number of tactics to get the children to open up and share their story: coloring, stress balls, and fidget toys among them. And it's important these children tell their story because they may have to argue their case in front of a judge to remain in the country.
Some of them were abandoned, some of them were mistreated by parents or family members. Some of them were victims of sexual abuse in home countries. It's difficult sometimes when you want to approach to them and ask some questions related with their lives in home country.
Under U.S. law, immigrants don't have a right to counsel at the government's expense, not even children. But a Trafficking Victims Act in 2008 carved out special protections for migrant children, including ensuring to the greatest extent practicable that they have counsel to represent them. That's not always the case. A recent court filing found children as young as 5 years old sitting at tables by themselves in front of judges.
A client of mine from Venezuela was asked for an urgent legal call with me. When I got on the phone with him, he said he had seen in the news that Venezuelans were being sent to a different country, and he wanted me to understand that he didn't want to be sent to a different country. He's 14 years old.
A federal judge in April ordered the Trump administration temporarily restore funding to legal service providers supporting tens of thousands of migrant children. Some of these providers resumed services, for now, but the federal case is still pending, and the future of legal counsel for these children is in limbo.